Yo guys, today we're gonna be fucking with some people. We're gonna be going out in public with our mask on because we're also scared of COVID. Just to see their reaction and coughing hard. We're gonna be coughing hard at the store to see the reactions.
Obviously we're at home right now, that's why we quarantine.
So,
stay safe, bro. Stay safe too.
Stay safe and yeah,
that's for sure.
Keep sanitizing, so let's get it.
Yes sir.
How much is this? Huh? How much? Oh. 27 rand. That's a lot of money.
Not a lot of.
So much chicken. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's the only one. Only like one, bro.
And I
Yeah, the window.
Also, sorry, I forgot to ask one more thing. She's vegan, so do you guys have anything vegan here? It's on the chest.
Vegan.
Vegan, yeah.
We got veggie burger.
Run.
Hey. Yo, we just coming from the store right now.
You just came back
Pranking these people,
From
man.
the store.
Came back what's good?
We just came from pranking people.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
We got some funny reactions. If you guys really like this video, man, we're gonna put a separate channel links down below.
Yes,
so you guys
sir.
can check them out, man. You guys can check them out. Trust me, you're almost disappointed. I promise you.
Bro, give me some snacks.
What's up, man?
No, that is just over here.
No, you're mad. You're mad.
No, give me some snacks for real, bro.
No.
These aren't salty, dude. I just want something salty.
Hit that salt button. Hit that like button.
What's good?
Me too, bro. You can get out too.
Give me some vinegar.
What's good, cuz?
Come on, I don't vinegar.
Let's get it. Huh? Dope ass video, let's get
To
it.
initiate.
Dope ass video, let's get it.
He's gonna drink vinegar.
Okay, guys, yeah. Go subscribe.
For real,
Do it.
bro.
I'm gonna try and drink this and not frown.
Yeah, literally.
Now, can I put it in your mouth, bro? That sounds wrong. Let me fucking check it, bro. Open up. Yeah, you don't have to frown, bro. You don't frown.
No, dude, I had the vinegar and most of the way.
Come
bro.
here, bro. Give me that shit.
Come here, bro. Now, okay.
Not frown, right?
Oh, shut up, bro.
Shit.
Well, I guess, yeah. You do well, you do well. Come on.
No. That's the thing. You literally took it right here. You didn't even stay.
Come.
Why did you swallow it then? Shit.
Oh, you want me to keep it?
Yeah, you must keep it in your mouth.
Okay, let's go. Boom.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah,
what the
like
hell?
this, bro. I'm not just gonna check it like that. Come on, mate.
Alright, think it's slick, huh?
Damn, bro.
Let's go.
It's your turn now.
Come.
Think it's slick.
Back.
See the double chin, bro. No, dude, why did you just swallow it like that? You're supposed
That's
to keep
what
it in
I
your
did,
mouth.
man. That's why
You're supposed to keep it in your mouth
mouth.
for a few minutes.
No, you never told me that, shit.
You have to do it again.
Yeah, I'm going to do it again too.
Shit, bro.
I'm alright, bro. Let's
It's not that sour, bro. It's just not that sour. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not that sour.
It just fucks with your mouth.
That's pretty bad.
Hey. Pause.
No, it's slick.
You see that?
Nah, but then they saw it, so.
Guys, we're gonna be posting again tomorrow. No, actually, we're doing another
Tuesday.
video tomorrow. We're gonna post whenever. If you guys really like this video, man, subscribe, like, share this video with your friends.
Let's get it. You know how we do, cuz. Let's get it.
You have to share with your friends. If
You have to share with your granny.
then
too,
you
Your
gotta
grandma, your dog,
Yeah.
your pets, your flower, your
We
flower.
safe. We safe.
If you don't share with your
Just
friends,
snack.
you're gonna die.
We safe, cuz.
If you don't share
What's
with your
good,
friends, you're gonna
cuz?
die.
Literally.
What's good?
So you have to go share with your friends.
What's good?
Get them to like too.
So when
Just
you're
spam
at home,
and share.
you see when you're about to masturbate at night, first thing about our video.
And share the video before you masturbate, bro.
Dude, and I'm talking to you, gents, because
Yeah, these gents be capping a lot.
bye.